Top 7 Tooth Whitening Remedies. Welcome to Z Dental. In this video, we will be discussing the top 7 tooth whitening remedies that you can try at home. From simple household item to over-the-counter products, we have got you covered. Say goodbye to dull yellow teeth and hello to a brighter, confident smile. So sit back, relax and get ready to learn how to achieve that Hollywood grin. Let's get started. Before starting the video, viewers, I have a request to subscribe my channel. If you are a student of dental technician, dental hygienist or dental technologist, I will provide you complete notes on my website. My website link is in description. Number 1. Brush regularly with baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide can be used together as a tooth whitening solution. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that can help remove surface stains, while hydrogen peroxide has mild bleaching properties that can penetrate deeper and help lighten deeper set stains. Use: simply mix a small amount of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide into a paste. Then brush with the mixture for 1 to 2 minutes. It's important to use these products in moderation, as overuse can damage tooth enamel and lead to sensitivity. It's also a good idea to rinse your mouth thoroughly with water after brushing to remove any residue. Number 2. Use whitening toothpaste. Whitening toothpaste can help to remove surface stains on your teeth and improve their overall brightness. However, it is important to note that whitening toothpaste are not as effective as other professional teeth whitening treatments. If you want to achieve significant whitening result, you may consider other options such as whitening treatments or at-home whitening kits recommended by a doctor. Number 3. Try oil pulling with coconut oil. Oil pulling is a traditional Ayurvedic practice where you swish oil around in your mouth for several minutes and then spit it out. Some proponents of oil pulling claim that it can help with teeth whitening by removing surface stains and improving overall oral health. Coconut oil is one of the most popular oils used for oil pulling due to its natural antibacterial properties. To oil pull, simply put 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut oil in your mouth. Swish it around for 10 to 20 minutes and then spit it out. It is recommended to do this on an empty stomach. First thing is in the morning before brushing your teeth. Number 4. Eat crunchy fruits and vegetables to scrub teeth naturally. Eating crunchy fruits and vegetables can help scrub teeth naturally and promote teeth whitening. These foods are abrasive, which means that they can help remove surface stains on teeth. Additionally, many of them contain vitamins and minerals that are good for oral health, such as calcium and vitamin C. Vitamin C and calcium. However, it is important to note that while this can help maintain and improve the appearance of teeth, it is not a substitute for regular dental hygiene practice such as brushing and flossing, and it may not be as effective as professional teeth whitening treatments. Number 5. Limit the consumption of staining foods and drinks, such as coffee, tea and red wine. Limiting the consumption of staining foods and drinks such as coffee, tea and red wine can help to prevent discoloration of your teeth and maintain their whiteness. Additionally, regular brushing and flossing can help remove surface stains and keep your teeth looking their best. If you still want to enjoy these foods and drinks, you can minimize their impact by drinking them through a straw, or brushing your teeth immediately afterwards. Number 6. Try a teeth whitening strip or tray. Teeth whitening strips and trays are methods of cosmetic dentistry that help to brighten discolored teeth and remove surface stains. Both work by applying a peroxide-based gel onto the surface of the teeth and then leaving it in a place for a specified amount of time, usually around 30 minutes. The peroxide penetrates the enamel and breaks down the molecules responsible for the discoloration, leaving the teeth a shade lighter. Strips are thin, flexible plastic pieces coated with the gel, while trays are custom-fitted plastic molds that hold the gel against the teeth. Both are readily available over the counter, but it's best to consult a dentist before using them to ensure safety and best results. Number 7. Use a LED light or laser treatment at a dentist office. Teeth whitening at a dentist office typically involves the use of LED light or laser in conjunction with a whitening gel or paste. The whitening products is applied to the teeth and then the LED light or laser is used to activate the product and speed up the whitening procedure. This method is typically more effective and faster than at-home whitening treatments, and it also offers more control over the final result. However, it also more expensive and may cause some sensitivity or discomfort during the procedure. Note: before trying at any home remedies, it is important to consult with a dental professional to determine what's best for your individual needs. Some remedies may not be safe or effective for everyone. Viewers, if you need more help, please visit my website. My website link is in description. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.